Vehicle tracking could bring your business many benefits, some of which you might not have even considered. You'll enjoy complete visibility of your mobile fleet with our real-time tracking, make informed decisions for your business and connect with your drivers 24/7 through our live Google Enhanced Maps. You want to provide the best service for your customers, and Quartix can help. Our live tracking is enhanced with proximity data. You'll know where your vehicles are in relation to specific address, making delivery times and arrival times for service appointments easy to pinpoint and share with your customers. Efficiency is easy to achieve with our daily vehicle logs, providing detailed information such as start and end times, allowing you to better allocate your resources and your employees. Route maps give you a total picture of your fleet's journey so you can eliminate any overlap. Quartix dashboards go even further to boosting your overall productivity by displaying continuously updating data such as how many vehicles are on a job site and how many jobs have been completed during the day. Reducing costs is a major benefit of vehicle tracking. With Quartix Daily Driver Briefing, you'll get speed, acceleration and braking data. Everything you need to address and modify driver behaviour in order to bring down fuel costs. Our driving style league table even ranks by individual performance to make identifying and supporting problem drivers an easy process. Improving how your fleet drives also has a direct impact on your carbon emissions. Quartix helps you run a green fleet by delivering reports such as our daily group report, which features estimated CO2 emissions for each of your vehicles. Quartix is invested in helping you maintain a safe fleet as well. Our suite of fleet management tools comes complete with the service date reminders. You'll never miss a maintenance appointment, MOT service date or insurance renewal, avoiding costly penalties and possibly accidents from faulty vehicles. After all, you're liable for your fleet, but it's easy to mitigate your risk with Quartix reports. Our speed analysis reports allow you to identify the vehicles that are consistently going over the speed limit, so you can act before any accidents occur. Staff accountability is another concern. Our geofencing feature lets you create geographical areas and decide when your vehicles should or shouldn't be within those boundaries. If the rules are broken, you'll receive a real-time alert, so unexpected behaviours can be addressed right away. Vehicle tracking can also protect your drivers. Trip reports prove where your employees were throughout the day. In the event of fraudulent insurance claims, tracking reports are a witness on your employee's side. So what will you get with Quartix? The peace of mind that your fleet is operating efficiently, safely and on budget.